bears.
Sure thing. First, what are the marbles? Never mind. Hey.
What was that?
I don't know.
Micah, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Someone just said, hey, I don't know.
I think we can knock him down with this gun. Maybe I can tase him to see.
Hey! Hey! Noel and Micah.
Did that teddy bear just talk?
I saw him do it and him do it.
Micah, Micah, calm down. We don't know who did it, so we need to calm down, okay?
I saw their lips moving.
Micah, we need to just calm down, play with our toys, and just pretend like this is all a dream. Nobody was talking.
Hey, I'm talking to you, Noel and Micah. I am talking to you.
Micah, wait. Remember last time what we did? We had to gear up to find Nemo in the attic. Let go. That's what we should do right now. Let's go gear up, and we could use our walkie-talkie.
But he was a zombie.
No, let's split up, use our walkie-talkies, and we could talk to each other. Here's your sword. And I'm about to go to the back and get my super backpack and my walkie-talkies. Micah, do you want to use your binoculars so you can see from far away?
Yeah.
Come get them.
Sometimes it gets kind of scary. I got 3 swords.
Alrighty. We have to gear up quick.
Yeah.
Cause what if all those teddy bears get up and they make a whole gang? They make a whole gang of bad guys, and that's gonna be scary. Micah, get your walkie-talkie off the floor, and we could talk to each other.
No, I have a walkie-talkie through here.
Right. Let's split up. I go left, you go right.
Okay.
Attention, Micah.
They're actually making a gang right now.
Okay, copy that. Micah, are you watching them in your binoculars?
Yes. I see them. They're about to get up and attack us.
Okay, get ready. Get your swords ready, and turn off your walkie-talkie.
Sure.
I gotta turn off the walkie-talkie. I'm gonna use this sword today. Let's go.
Today I'm using these 2 because they're extra sharp. And do not do this at home because
Get over here.
It might get scary.
They just talked again.
It might get scary. And I chopped his hand off.
Phew. There's a whole gang of them.
But those ones are zombies. Those ones are zombies. He's a human. Are you okay? Yeah. They was trying to eat me. Dude. He's innocent. Dude, he's innocent.
Oh no!
Give him a shot. Huh? Where am I?